What's up, YouTube? We got a couple hours here before it gets dark. I think Vince is going to come meet me today, and I'm going to try to get him some brook trout. So hang in there and see what happens. Hopefully we get a couple on the line. My goal is to just catch him a fish. So we got a little time. Let's make it happen. YouTube, here we are. April 2nd. Here with Vince.
6 feet behind him.
Yeah. I like my favorite spot. It's a little stained, but not too high. Should be fishable. Let's catch some. There we go. Nice brookie here. Alright, I got 10 yards from the road.
Trout I ever seen you caught.
That's a pretty one right there. Can you hug the right a little bit more? There we go. Come on. I cast it right up underneath that tree.
Okay.
Light on?
Yeah.
Alright. Look at the colors on that guy.
Nice and pink. I should have followed what
It's almost a tiger.
Cold water.
You're about to go over.
I am over.
I cast just past that up there and then pull it back across past it. Oh fuck!
There we go. You're number one in my book.
This is all green. Yeah, Vince just went in over the top. Holy crap. What just happened?
Both my boots. I barely went over the top, and both my boots are now full. Unless if now I have a hole.
Just missed a fish.
Nice. How the heck am I going to do this?
What's that? Fish?
No. Well, yeah, kinda. Walk through this without getting my phone wet again.
Alright. Last cast, I think, here for Vince. 3 fish to hand. 0 for this guy. What the hell is going on? Okay, well, he says he's good to go, so let's see if this can continue for a minute. Battery's about to die anyway. Alright, third snake's the charm. We're really done now. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for coming, Vince.
Yeah, no problem. I didn't even go ahead and purposely touch that, and I turned my phone flashlight on and off.
Weird. I think it's just fucked up from being in the water.
Probably.
See you guys. I just saw a mosquito by my face, and it's April 2nd. don't know where he is, but that's what you call social distancing. Stay safe, everybody. Footage.
Already get water over on the right side.
How bad did he get it? Soaked pretty much most of it up.
That's exactly what it sounds like.
Oh yeah, spring is here.
This one's not coming off.
You gotta drive home with half a waders on?
Oh, apparently so. Corey, I'm not even kidding you. This one ain't coming off.
Alright, again, thank you for watching, guys. Enjoy the next one.